Hello guys, it's me, Nikki, and hello. Hello. So today is not a Winter Wonder Week video because Winter Wonder Week ended last week and I took a little bit of a break and got my creative juices flowing back into the body. Sounds so weird. I got my creative juices back and I am back on the channel after a very short 5-day break? 5-day break. Hello, I'm back. So I wanted to ring in the new year. I wanted to ring in 2018 with my 2017 all-time favorite hits of the year. So these are the products that made 2017 even better. I mean, I recorded a video with Jessie J, Kim Kardashian, and Patrick Starr in 2017. So 2017 was pretty lit if you ask me, but these products that I have laying on my lap right now, these products that I am holding right here really made a difference for 2017 and really improved the makeup in 2017 for me. So today is all about that, and I tried to make the list not too long because I want it to be very selective. These are products that if you run out and buy them after this video, I wholeheartedly agree with and totally support. Also, you don't want to miss the end of this video because we might go crazy again with a giveaway. So, if you're ready, I am ready. I no longer have a cute intro like Winter Wonder Week, so let's go. All right, the first product that I really like is no shock to anyone. I've been watching Love Island and it's so much fun. I look like Hannah right now. All right, so the first product I really wanted to mention in this video is, of course, this one right here. I talked about this a lot in the later part of 2017. This is Amazing Cosmetics Illuminate Primer Highlighter in the color Glow. This is a primer that gives you a glowy finish. This will give you that very luminous, dewy skin look. And I just applied it for that because I thought it was gonna be really good for an Instagram video because, you know, thumbnails. And I noticed that I kept going back to this because I noticed that my skin looked really flawless throughout the day and like it kept my oils at bay and it just made my face look really flawless and perfectly set all throughout the day, and it totally kept it that way. So as soon as I didn't use this, I was like, I'm missing a little bit of life in the skin. I'm missing that longevity. Like it really improved the longevity of my makeup. And yeah, ever since I can't put it down, I love it so much. It's so pretty. They do come in more colors. So if Glow is too light for you, they do come in a couple of different colors as well. This one is a must. Another primer that I really want to mention here is by Becca. This is called the Becca Velvet Blurring Primer Perfecting Base in the color Apricot Haze. This on my T-zone keeps me in lock all day. When I first tried this product, I was like, I don't know about this one because it's so drying. I have dry combination skin, dry face, oily T-zone. I wanted to try this to keep the oils in my T-zone at bay. And at first it's such a velvety dry finish that I was like, oh my God, it's gonna enhance every dry patch on my face. Put this on your T-zone to control the oils, and this will control the oils and it will keep your makeup looking flawlessly until you take it off. All right, for foundation, let's just blast through it because we all know how much I love the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. This just captivated my heart and never let go, unlike Rose did with Jack. The NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the Light 1 is just whatever color you are, this concealer has saved my under eyes. I used to go in with really creamy, rich and creamy concealers underneath my eyes. And throughout the day, I would notice that if I was wearing eyeliner or mascara, it would stamp onto my concealer because basically, officially, even though I said it and I baked my under eye was too oily and too rich with product that didn't really settle in. This is a matte concealer, so it's not as wet. And this, I noticed that it completely conceals everything. Like any flaw, any darkness, gone. It has a beautiful sort of skin texture. Once you blend it into your skin, it looks so much like perfectly flawless Photoshopped skin that I cannot put this down. I need this under my eyes. I put this on my T-zone. I do this pretty much I could do my entire face with this. And ever since I moved away from the more wet concealers to this more dry matte one changed my under eye game. Like no more eyeliner stampiness going on, like no more mascara droopiness going on, no more black stains. I look flawless all day long. This concealer, oh my God, if you do not have this concealer, what are we even doing here? MAC Select Cover Up in NW15, this. To cut the crease, to cut the lid, to cut the brow, to brighten the under eye. The concealer for all you creative souls out there. Wanna carve out that brow? Boom. Now here comes the plot twist. Want an eyeshadow base that isn't an eyeshadow base? Boom. This right here, I've been using this as my eyeshadow base because I saw Paige Louise do this on Instagram, and a lot of UK artists have been using this to like cut the lid, cut the crease, but they've also been using it as an eyeshadow base. And I was like, wait, but how? It's a concealer, it's gonna crease. And somehow, when you pat this into the skin, so instead of buffing it into the skin, you pat that brush, it sort of dries this concealer and transforms it into an eyeshadow base. So I've been using this as an eyeshadow base. Even today, it totally clears up any flaws. It gets you nice, bright, and flawless, and it stays there all day long. I love it. This powder has been with me for so long in 2017, and I'm never letting go. This right here, okay, let me do that again. This right here, the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in 05. This, for my fair people out there to bake your under eyes with, is a dream come true. It's a powder that looks so good on the skin. When you bake with it, it just melds into the skin and you brush it away and boom, flawlessness. Crazily enough, I don't use it to set my entire face. Usually I only do my T-zone and under eyes with it to bake and really brighten, but I should probably get a 10. This is 05. I should probably get a 10 to set the rest of my face with, but this powder is bomb and it's affordable and I love that. Oh my God, this for brows. Ever since I did a video on this, I haven't put this down and my brow game has transformed. I did a first impressions video on this iconic, what is this even called? Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion. I did a full video on this if you want to see my first impression on it. I've been mixing the two colors together, so there's no longer like a line and like the difference of colors. I mix the two colors together. This for the brows is everything. It stays on all day long. It gives you amazing precision. I love the color. This is in the color medium, and I love the brow cushion. I think the brow cushion is awesome. It gives me so much precision. It gives me so much control, so much power when it comes to the brows. And once it sets, it sets. If you haven't noticed yet, when I do my makeup, I want it to last until the earth is destroyed. When I do my makeup, I want it to last until cockroaches crawl over my body. Okay, let's move on. This list is already longer than I ever planned on it being, so I'm so sorry in advance. See, when it comes to eyeshadows, it's really hard because makeup brands have literally come out with 1,000,001 new makeup palettes in 2017, and it's really hard to like pinpoint exactly which one like stole your heart. There is one eyeshadow that I've been so obsessed with, and I use it pretty much every time I wear makeup. I'm wearing it on my inner corners. It's by a fairly unknown brand. Let me actually grab the shadow from my little palette. This right here is a shimmering white gold shadow, and it's by Melchior Cosmetics. This color is called Festive Gold. This on the brow bone, this on the inner corner, this as a highlighter on your skin is everything that golden dreams are made of. I love this color so much. Like ever since I got my hands on that color, it's been on my inner corner, it's been on my crease, it's been on my face to highlight. It goes everywhere with me. The formula of the powder is very creamy, super pigmented, and very easy to work with. My favorite part being that Melchior is super affordable. Melchior has so many shadows out there, and a lot of the UK artists use this to do their shadows with, and it's just packed with pigment, packed with blendability. These are some of the best shadows on the market out there. But if I have to pinpoint one shadow that keeps making me happy every time I use it, it's Festive Gold. Like I use it today to brighten up this very natural look, at least natural for me. And it makes me so happy, and it gets me in a mood. And I feel like a lot of people should feel what this shadow does to me, what it will do to. Okay, moving on. This is also no surprise. This came out fairly late in 2017, but this has been my favorite Juvia's palette Juvia's Place palette of 2017. When it first came out, I'm not gonna lie, I saw the previews and I was like, that's an odd combo. I love it, but you're only gonna use it like 5 times. I was so wrong. This color right here is as the softest definition in my crease and outer corner today. This color right here is bomb for highlighting inner corners and brow bone and sort of like what Festive Gold does. This one right here on the lid, oh my God. This color for a party, oh my God. This color for a night out, oh my God. This for more definition in the crease and more warmth. Basically, the only color I haven't dipped in much into is the green, because I hate green shadow, but that's about it. I've been using that palette so much. It's been going everywhere with me, and you can do the softest of soft with it, but you can also do the brightest and colorfuls of brightest and colorful, and you can go ham and smoky. It's such a good palette, and it's so affordable. I love it so much. Another palette that I've been loving, this is by Morphe. It's such a big palette, and when I first got it in, I was like, this is like the 35-0, but like with a couple of cool tone colors with it. Like I saw this and I was like, that is the 35-0 with a red and a lot of green and blue. But I've been using it a lot. They put colors that they thought people would use a lot of as bigger pans in the center, and then, you know, different colors, smaller, surrounding it. And I think this palette is so bomb. It is strongly pigmented. I love this because these shades you actually do use the most of. I love that you can go cool toned, green toned, never go in there, warm toned, less warm toned, neutrals. It's such an all-around beautiful palette, and I love taking this with me because it's a one palette and go type of palette. Like if you bring this palette with you on travel or like whatever you're doing, like a night out or you're staying somewhere and you need a palette to like bring a look or 7 looks or 10 looks, this palette has got your looks because there's so much diversity with it. I love. All right, the first thing I want to talk about, this blush. Although you haven't been in my life for a long time, I'm already like hitting it so hard that I feel like I need a new one because I'm gonna run out soon. This is a MAC Fairly Precious Extra Dimension Blush. Oh my God. Oh my God, I dropped it and poked my nail in it. This blush right here gives you that natural glowy radiance without even trying. Like I pop this onto my cheeks and it gives me that little bit of sheen. It gives me that little bit of glow, and it just makes me look very healthy and glowy and very radiating from within. What am I, a heater? What? It just gives me that very naturally flushed, beautiful, like, oh my God, you look like a pregnancy glow. I love that blush. That's my favorite blush. For those of you who thought I was not gonna do it, you're wrong. Hello, my favorite highlighter of the year when it comes to like cheek highlighting and just overall highlighting, Glazed Donut. This is my highlighter. I made this highlighter. This is my baby. I made 4 highlighters with Ofra Cosmetics Glazed Donut. Then we have a medium shade, which is Glow Goals. And then we have a darker shade for darker skin tones, which is Blind the Haters. And then if you want all 3 colors together, it is Everglow. Glazed Donut is my baby. This will make me look like I am sending signals to Jupiter. Like in my honest opinion, and yes, I am very biased because I created it, it is the glow of all glows. Like you can put a tiny bit of this on to make it very soft and dewy, but you can pack it on to like basically in the summer when there's people on the beach and you're wearing this on your cheeks and you stand in the right angle with the sun, people will tan faster because of the reflection. It's a really good highlighter. I love it so much, and I'm really, really proud that I got to create my dream highlighters with Ofra in 2017. So yeah. 2 products for the lips. This. I feel so bad talking about this product sometimes because I'm like, it's such a small step, but it's one of my favorite steps in my makeup routine. This is by Jouer. They came out with lip liners in 2017, and they came out with shimmery lip liners in 2017. This is Jouer Longwear Cream Lip Liner in Pink Champagne Shimmer. I define my Cupid's bow with this. So I put it on, like I draw my Cupid's bow in, then I buff it in with my fingers, and it gives me the most naturally voluptuous effect on earth. And it's such a tiny step in my makeup routine, but it does so much to my face. All right, there are so many lipsticks on the market that I will not go there. I cannot pick one as like my favorite of the year. I do have a lip gloss that has taken my ass and took me to heaven. This right here is by Maybelline. This is the Vivid Hot Lacquer in the color 60 Teas. This has been with me for so long. This is about my third tube. When I'm wearing new glossy lips, this is the gloss I'm wearing. If you see me on Snapchat, Instagram stories, with Instagram photos, and you see me wearing a glossy nude lip, it's this. Don't ask me what it is. You don't even have to read the caption. If it's glossy and it's nude, it's this one right here. Probably the best lip gloss formula out there because it's packed with pigment. They stay on for so long. I mean, every lip gloss is sticky, but this one is a non-like irritating sticky, like it's a nice sticky. I feel like this has pigment, it stays on, it's beautiful, it's affordable. They come in a bunch of colors. The best. So those are all the products that made my 2017 even more lit and made 2017 even better. And now my final question is, what is yours? What were your 2017 holy grail products that knocked you off your feet and got you back up from the ground and just caressed you until the very end? I don't know what I'm saying. Now, I do have a special surprise because, you know, 2017 was an amazing year and you guys have been so supportive of me, and I wanna thank you. I'm giving away, and this is crazy, I'm giving away a Sephora gift card of $750 to one lucky person. A Sephora gift card of $750 to one lucky person out there, and we will shop Sephora together. Like, I will message you and I'll be like, hey, you won. Now let's go shop together. We go shop Sephora together. We can Skype it. We can do what we can FaceTime it probably, and we'll go through Sephora together. And I'm giving it about a week until I close off this giveaway and pick a winner because I want everyone to get a fair chance. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. You know this from Winter Wonder Week. Be subscribed to my channel. You have to like this video, so give it a thumbs up. And like I said, comment your favorite all-time products from 2017. That enters you into this crazy giveaway. That concludes this video right here. Thank you so much for making 2017 the year of my life. Thank you so much for the unforgettable, amazing moments that happened. You made Winter Wonder Week amazing, and I miss you guys so much, but I'm back. And yeah, I wanna thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. I love you, and bye.